All right, last couple things we got to do for this first assignment. And you are done. You're going to hit save. And you are to the point of your first COVID-19 assignment getting done. Believe it or not. I pulled out dimensions. I used the dimension tool. I got the 8 foot, 8 foot. I got the 1 foot 3 1/4 to the first one there. 6 foot 10 for my header height. 3.5 inches or 3 foot 2.5 for my door opening. 1 foot 4 from center to center. And I did my stud length of 7 foot 7.5. You are going to set this to isometric, and you're going to go to here and hit zoom extents, the bottom one, and we're one step away. Going to go back to your components browser so I can see your components. You are going to use your screenshot tool so I can see all your components are created correctly, and you are going to upload your screenshot to, I've got to move that out of the way. Got to upload your screenshot to 1.4 submission right here. Again, rubric. Did everything correct? 10 points out of 10. Did something incorrect? 5 out of 10. Incorrect file type? 1 out of 10. So you got to make sure once you click submission, I can see it. So right there is a YouTube link to how to do it all. Right there is the temporary file. And again, we're using the SketchUp tools to make accurate size and create components. Nice work. And we'll see you next week.